Installing TRUEGRID, preparing the subgrade. Begin by excavating the surface to the depth of your storm water detention requirement. Don't forget to allow for the thickness of the TRUEGRID paver. Once installed, the grid should be slightly below the surrounding grade or edging. Ensure the ground is relatively dry with no standing water, and proof roll or stabilize the subgrade as necessary to ensure stability. Next, lay a geofabric to separate the subgrade soils and detention-based stone. This will prevent interblending and loss of detention void space in the base stone. Finally, be aware that subgrade soils with poor permeability require drainage. In this instance, slope the subgrade and install perforated pipe to move the water and drain the site. Installing TRUEGRID, preparing the base. Lay the base rock using a clean, angular stone 3/4 to 1 inch in size. A number 57 stone is common for this application. Then, compact the base in 4-inch lifts with a heavy compactor to level and lock in the clean, angular stone. You can ensure a level surface by using a chalk line or laser leveler. Installing TRUEGRID, laying the grid. First, ensure the base is level and allows for the grid to be slightly below the surrounding grade or adjoining area. Start in a corner of the site with male tabs on the grid facing out. Line up the connecting grid and step on the tabs to lock them in place. Repeat this process until all of the grid is in place. Installing TRUEGRID, filling the grid. Fill the grid with a 5/8 or 3/4 inch fill rock. Thanks to TRUEGRID's extremely high compressive strength, you can drive large vehicles, dump trucks, and spreaders on the empty grid and directly to the fill area. Spread the fill rock to the top of the grid cells. Finally, compact and lock in the infill aggregate. Installing TRUEGRID, adding accessories. TRUEGRID offers a variety of accessories, including signs and super spot markers. To install an accessory, simply insert it into the desired grid cell and press firmly.